everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Sears credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser, go to the address box at the top of the screen and type in Sears credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of the search results are displayed on the screen, click on this first link that says Sears credit card login or apply. You'll end up in the home page of Sears, which looks like this. Go to the left hand side of the screen and in the sign on portal that you can see, type in your user ID into the user ID text box. After you're done, if you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this remember my user ID box. But if you are using a public device or a shared computer, leave the box unchecked and move forward. In the password text field, make sure to type in your password correct. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can retrieve your user ID by clicking on Retrieve User ID link. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, click on the Reset Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Sign On button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Sears credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.